The driver tried to put on the brakes, but Thomas couldn't stop.
Whoa, boy!
The station master called ahead. Clear the lines! It's a runaway train! Signals were changed, and points were switched. Thomas had never been so excited. Thomas flew by James and rocketed past Henry. And raced by Percy. They were amazed. Bertie was excited when he saw Thomas flying down the track. "Want to race, Thomas?" beeped Bertie. Never mind. No one had ever seen an engine go so fast. Gordon had no idea that Thomas was racing along the main line. "I am the fastest," said Gordon proudly. "Bye, Gordon. Bye, Gordon." Gordon could not believe what he had seen. At last, the jet engine ran out of fuel, and Thomas was back under his own power. He steamed gently back into Knapford Station. "Sorry for overtaking you back there, Gordon," teased Thomas. "Overtake me? I didn't notice," Gordon huffed. "You didn't notice the fastest engine on the island of Sodor?" said Henry. "Yes, I am the fastest," puffed Thomas. Percy felt a little sorry for Gordon. Gordon doesn't have to go as fast as a jet engine. He's a steam engine. "But he's still full of hot air," whistled James, and Gordon wheeshed away.
It's a busy day on the railway for Thomas and friends. With lots to see and do, Thomas needs a full load of water and coal to have lots of energy and be useful all day. Adding tunnels, track, and bridges means new adventures to come. Creating the world of Thomas and Friends can be hours of fun. Available now only